Testes. On the left side.
It's a Lorena Bobbitt thing.
Is that correct? Yep.
Now my
So,
video is bouncing.
Scrotum, everybody's okay. Testes okay. Now, you also have to know the diagrams in the book, the notes that you drew. So the next thing would be the epididymis. Go down. Yeah, and come up. The B. Yeah, the B. Epididymis. There is alphabet B there. And go down. No.
All I see is this prostate.
This. From here all the way down. Okay. That is the epididymis.
He's happily
This is the
scrotum.
scrotum. That's the
Testes.
testes. This is the
Epididymis.
epididymis. Now the vas comes out here. It's a peach color. Can you see the peach? It goes like that. It goes inside. Then it goes in the inguinal canal inside this. Then comes out here. See this? This is also vas deferens. This is vas deferens. The whole thing is vas deferens. Goes like that. Now this vas deferens lies within the spermatic cord. This whole thing is spermatic cord. So there are 4 parts to the spermatic cord. They are, number 1, vas deferens. Number 2, the red thing. What is the red?
Testicular vein
Artery.
or artery.
And the blue?
Testicular vein.
And the fourth thing they didn't show is the lymphatic. So testicular artery, testicular vein, and lymphatic make up the spermatic cord. This vas deferens now comes in the inguinal canal. It goes inside here. Can't show you here, but if I put a sticker here, inguinal canal. This is also vas deferens. The vas, and then vas goes into the spermatic cord and then into the inguinal canal. So this is the vas. So I'm going to turn now. So this is the vas deferens, correct?
Yes.
Before I go there, what organ is this?
Prostate.
No, this big thing.
Urinary bladder.
Urinary bladder. These are the ureters. They are coming from the kidney, bringing urine here. Coming from the kidney, bringing urine here. This is the urinary bladder. What organ is this?
Prostate.
Prostate. So repeating, this is the vas deferens, and that is the seminal vesicle. The vas deferens and the seminal vesicle. The duct of the seminal vesicle will join the vas to form this. What does it become now?
Starts with an
Ready.
Ejaculatory duct. So if I put a sticker here,
I. One after.
seminal vesicle. Put a sticker here, vas deferens. Put a sticker in that point, ejaculatory duct. Now this ejaculatory duct will go inside. So now we have to split this. So you can see the ejaculatory duct here, what I just showed you before. So this ejaculatory duct, you can see a small portion right here. Can you see that? So that is also ejaculatory duct. Now this is the urinary bladder and that's the urethra. So this ejaculatory duct is now opening in the urethra. With me? This is the prostate. So this part of the urethra is prostatic urethra. See this gland, a small gland, that's the bulbourethral gland. So from here to here is the membranous urethra. And then from here till here is the penile urethra. So I'll repeat. Ejaculatory duct, prostate, prostatic urethra, bulbourethral gland, membranous urethra. This whole thing is the penile urethra. This is the penis. Penis consists of the root of bulb, right here, the body or shaft till here, and this part, the last part, this part is the glands. The glands should have been covered by the foreskin or prepuce, but they're showing it like a circumcised. So this is the glans, root, body, bulb. Root or bulb, body or shaft, and glans. The penis consists of 3 erectile tissue, of vascular tissue. The part that is surrounding the urethra, see this part, this dark blue surrounding the urethra is which one? Corpus spongiosum. And the part that is above it, right here, is the corpus cavernosa. So look at this way. See, this is the corpus spongiosum surrounding the urethra. And this is the corpus cavernosa, corpus cavernosa. That's the diagram that you drew.
It makes sense now when you see it. So, real quick, the glands at the ends, is that where they do circumcision because of chance of infection, or?
Oh, why do they do circumcision? 2 religions like Judaism and Islam, they mandate it. So that's why the baby gets done there. Then for others and even the liberals of those religions, circumcision. See, the thing is, this is a prepuce. So you really don't need a circumcision. If the male has been taught since early childhood that every time, every day bath, they need to take it like that, clean it. Let me actually tell the whole class. What color is that fallopian tube? Pink in color. Okay. Can you appreciate that the tip of that fallopian tube is finger-like?
Yes.
So that is the fimbriae. Next becomes funnel shape, which is the infundibulum. Then there is a small bulge. You can't appreciate it actually on these models. So for that ampulla, I can ask you here. But I'll draw a diagram. Do you know what I mean? The small bulge right after infundibulum is not very clear on the models. That's where fertilization takes place. And the whole of last part is the isthmus. So point to the isthmus. Yep. Isthmus is the last part. Yep. Yep. Isthmus, the last part of the fallopian tube. Yes, the pink one. Yeah. Next, see the uterus. You may want to turn it upside down. Yes. Now the uterus.
This is the uterus, right?
You may also want to turn it upside down. Yes.
Just to make sure, because I'm like trying to look.
Show the rectum. Rectum.
It's gonna be the rectum.
That's it? Rectum? Yes. Okay. Next, you can see the urinary bladder in front of the uterus also.
Down
That's
at
it.
the bottom.
Yes, that's it. Urinary bladder?
Right there.
Uh-huh.
Yep. Urinary bladder, that's it. Okay. Now, go back to the uterus. Okay. Now split it into 2.
Somebody to split it.
So, this is the uterus, right?
Oh my God.
Uterus has 2 parts. Part of this. Fundus,
Body,
body, and this last part.
cervix.
Cervix. This cervix now goes into the
Stop, because he's over there now.
vagina. Right? Can you everybody see? Uterus, what part is this?
Fundus,
Fundus, this is the
body,
body, and that is the
cervix,
cervix. This is the
vagina,
vagina. That's the rectum, so this will be the anal canal. That's the urinary bladder, so that will be the
urethra,
urethra. Now the wall of the uterus, this part is what?
endometrium,
Endometrium,
My,
myometrium,
peritoneum,
here is referred to as the vulva. It consists of, number 1, there's a pad of fat over this bone, pubic bone, and that is called the mons pubis. Number 2, there is an erectile tissue analogous to the male penis, which is this blue thing along with this pinkish cap. So that is the
clitoris,
clitoris, erectile tissue. Number 3, this is the urethra. It's not part of vulva, but the opening is part of the vulva. Vagina is not part of the vulva, but the opening of vagina is part of the vulva. Number 5, labia minora. And number 6, labia majora. Number 7, they haven't shown it, but right here there will be bulbourethral gland. Said it wrong. There will be greater vestibular gland, which is part of vulva. So 7 things, right? Mons pubis, clitoris, opening of urethra, opening of vagina, labia minora, labia majora, and greater vestibular gland. With me? Okay. There is one thing that I forgot to uterus. So we're talking about this blue thing. Which one?
The suspensory.
Suspensory.
Suspensory. This yellow one,
Ovarian.
ovarian. This peach colored one,
Round.
round. This fold,
Yeah. Uterosacral.
uterosacral. And this whole thing,
Broad.
Lord. Will repeat.
Suspensory. Ovarian. Round. Uterosacral. Broad.
This is the suspensory, ovarian, round. It goes like this. Uterosacral.